If you want to take a screenshot on your Motorola smartphone without using buttons, then we have a couple of different ways. However, some of these methods that I'm about to show you might not work on your specific Motorola smartphone. Some of these gestures are just simply not available on every Motorola. So first, let's start with the 3-finger gesture. First, we're gonna check if it is available, so we can open settings in here, go to gestures, and then you should be able to find the 3-finger screenshot option. Make sure that it is enabled, and after that you can just touch and hold 3 fingers anywhere on the screen in order to capture a screenshot. There we go. Besides that, if you have any app opened and you want to take a screenshot of this app, you can go to background apps, and then below over here you might be able to find this scissors button, which is the screenshot button. You might also need to tap on the app icon in here in order to find it in this list, in case you don't have it here at the bottom of the screen for some reason. And besides that, another way to capture a screenshot is by using the control center or quick settings. Most of the time you can find a button to take a screenshot somewhere in here. In my case it is in this place, so I can tap on it in order to quickly capture the screenshot on this phone. And another way is to use the sidebar. So if you have sidebar enabled, which we can find in the gesture settings as well over here, and then you should be able to go to settings of the sidebar, and if you switch to tools you can actually add the screenshot option, so you can capture a screenshot by using the sidebar as well. And last but not least, we also have the quick launch option, also in gestures, which is the double tap of the back of the phone. And over here, if we go to settings, you can select to take a screenshot with this gesture. So now we should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to capture a screenshot. Usually you have to double tap on the upper half of the phone, but in order to figure it out how strong and where you need to tap exactly, what you can do is you can go to this quick launch settings and tap on this setting icon, and then we have the tap strength and we have the try it out option, so you can keep tapping on the back of the phone in the area of your choice in order to see if it's gonna work. So in my case I just tap over here and it works most of the time at least. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.